So what is SAFe? Let's start by expanding SAFe. SAFe expands to Scaled Agile Framework. Right? It's a framework for scaling agility. Right? It's a fusion of lean, agile, and systems thinking. Imagine companies like Microsoft, GE, Infogain, where they have not just tens but hundreds of Scrum teams which are all working towards a single software release. Imagine the amount of dependencies between these teams. Imagine the amount of ceremonies and extra roles that need to be put into play for a successful release. Scaled Agile Framework basically has the whole framework defined, where it integrates everybody all the way from the portfolio level, which is your CXOs or vice presidents, all the way till a developer or a QA engineer. Everybody in the organization, including HR, finance, marketing, or developers and QA, of course, all the way up until the executives of the company, are all aligned when they do an event called release planning. Release planning is one such event where there's alignment that happens across all levels in the organization, including HR, finance, development, QA, and the executives of the company. Now, this is a meeting where we're trying to ensure that the strategic objectives or the initiatives of the organization are clearly known to the people who are going to help achieve it, which is the developers and QA. Scaled Agile Framework has defined a few additional roles and a few ceremonies that are prescribed for large-scale software releases to be successful. Some of those roles basically include architects, release-trained engineers, DevOps, so on and so forth. Some of the ceremonies basically include PI planning, which was popularly known as release planning. There was inspect and adapt workshops, where we basically reflect on how things went before we ship the product out of the door, and so on and so forth. So let's talk about the top 5 reasons why we should adopt SAFe. Introducing a regular heartbeat across the organization that enables coordination and steering at all levels, not just the development teams. Removing product management bottlenecks and increasing product owners' autonomy. Identifying dependencies across teams and domains, and also common components. It is good to talk across teams and domains. Increasing the visibility beyond just the 2 to 4 weeks of the iteration. Now, I often get asked this question: should I take one of these PMI, ACP, or Scrum courses that are available in the market, or should I basically enroll for one of these SAFe offerings, which is the SAFe Agilist or the SAFe Scrum XP or SPC for that matter? And I tell them all the time that both these courses are really good. Both have their own merits. But one area where SAFe I really like and recommend SAFe is because it takes it one notch higher, which is at the portfolio level, and it connects everybody from the portfolio level all the way till the developers and testers who are building it, which means that there's the concept of lean agile leadership, where middle level managers and executives connect very well with the individuals who are developers and QA. That seems to help these products and everything across the supply chain work beautifully well. Now, that's where SAFe has its beauty. Thank you.